Hi, my name's Andy Leggett and I'm one of the NBS champions from Bauder. As many of you know, one of the main reasons that clients approach Bauder is for our detailed specifications. Now, as specification writing moves more into the digital world, we clearly want to be able to make sure we can continue to provide our clients with specifications in a format that they can use. Therefore, over the last couple of years, we've been working extensively with the team at NBS to help develop our NBS Chorus offer. Now, this started off by uploading more and more of our systems and products onto NBS Source, so they're available to insert into specifications. We've also started building a library of specifications so they're ready to use and transfer across the client's platforms. Now, these specifications contain execution clauses, they meet current standards, and they're ready to go. We've also trained some of our staff up so they're familiar with the terminology of NBS Chorus, Source, Uniclass, Cores, etc. To the extent we've even got a team of NBS champions based around the country that are ready to help you with your specification and create it in NBS Chorus. So the plus side of all of this is time saving. We can help write your specification in a format that you can use on NBS Chorus and transfer it safely across to your project platform. So for any more information, please reach out to us and we'll gladly help you build your specification in NBS Chorus.